That was good, y'all. So right now we're in Oxnard, California. We just picked up another project. So this time we got a hardtop, sleepy eyes, good suspension, good mods. It's a little rough around the edges, but nothing that we can't take care of. So yeah, let's get this vlog started. All right, so we're right here with the current owner, Andres, and he's gonna give you a little backstory on it.
So I had this little car for 3 years, put a grip of love and money into it, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm about to tear up right now because she's gonna go, but my boy Omar right here is gonna take really good care of her, I'm assuming.
You know it, bro.
Can't wait to see what the build's gonna become about, but oh yeah, it should be fun for them. Stimmy boys.
Yeah. Crisp, bro.
Oh, dude.
Damn, bro, this would be. He could do that all day. What's good, y'all? So I just got a call back from Chris at Welch's Auto Repair and said the Miata is ready to pick up. So a little background info on that. When I originally got it, I had no brakes pretty much. You know, I drove that thing from Oxnard with no brakes, but I just took it directly to Chris so he could see exactly what's wrong with it, you know. I kind of had some side projects to take care of, so it's all good. All right, y'all, so this is the body work portion of the project. So as you can see, we got down a couple of parts. Right here, this thing was completely cracked, you know, like just cracked. I should have got it before, but I've just been stupid busy. But the previous owner had made holes right here, so you know, just bonded them up, covered them, about to put some putty maybe. That's just primer right there that we're messing around with. Got some work over here too in the corner. So yeah, just getting it ready for body and paint. I mean, the body shop does the rest of the prep, but they don't do those specific details, you know, that make all the difference. So that's why we just take care of them. Shout out to the homie for helping me. I didn't get to record a reel on this one or a time lapse, but I'll try to get something for you guys now. So right now what's next is replacing the seat and getting that cluster cover. And I already fixed the radio, the Bluetooth works now, so that's dope. All right, now we're gonna get down on the driver's side seat. So as you guys can see, this one's pretty torn up. Even has the metal sticking out right here. That kind of hurts when I lay on it. Pretty ripped from the bottom too. I have a new one I'm gonna put in. So to take it off, I believe it's only a few bolts. One right here, one in the back. Same thing for the other two sides. So let's get into it. As I was going in the back to measure the bolts, I noticed that this thing doesn't even have 2 bolts, man. So I was driving this thing from Oxnard with no brakes and no seat bolts. It's all good. I'm pretty sure I could find some spares in the garage or whatever. The important thing is that nobody got hurt and everybody's safe, and we're to make sure the next person's safe, so it's all good. Something I've noticed is that this seat buckle doesn't really work properly all the time. I've had occasions where the seat belt just comes loose or just comes off, you know. So luckily I got this other one right here that's in really good condition, and I already tested it out and it buckles fine. So shout out to the Miata Sensei for all these extra parts. I've just been using it, so thank you for that. So yeah, like I said, death trap, no brakes, no seat bolts, and no freaking seat belt pretty much. But it's all good. We're taking care of it, and that's what matters. In working fine, perfect, not coming out. All right, so final look, got the second seat belt off, I got the new seat in. So here's a close-up of the windshield. So it has a crack coming from down up here to down there, and we're gonna get it replaced right now.
Compa, ¿lo estás arreglando? Hey.
Sí.
¿Podemos abrir el hood?
Sí.
Es que necesito también moverle Tengo como la densidad del piso, no tanto, o sea, como que tanto peso agarra una máquina, un gabacho andaba ahí. tengo bordes de lejos también. No caiga nada, don Lalo, ¿qué pasó? Tráigase otro tubo. $10, amigo. Don Lalo está dando explicaciones de YouTube, ¿no? Sí, estoy explicando todo lo que se le está haciendo. Ah, sí. ¿Ya, compa?
Sí.
¿En inglés o en español?
Los dos.
Oh, para acá, por favor.
Alright, so the new windshield is on. It looks amazing. You know, some professional install. And just gotta remember not to take the tape off for 2 days. So I highly recommend you guys come here. You know, low price auto glass in Wilmington, California. They'll get you set up right. I put the link in the description as well with the phone number and all that. So call them for a quote. So that's it for the windshield portion. I'm gonna just take it back home and work on the rest of it, and hopefully get it soon and ready for paint. I already did the work and all that, so shouldn't take too long. All right, so here we got the hardtop. As you guys can see in the previous clips, this thing was chewed up, man. Like, it looked like somebody had taken a bite out of it. Luckily, these are really easy to take off on the car. You know, just a few latches, but check it out, y'all. Way better, way better. Got a good form of it, nice and complete now. Also getting ready for paint. It's gonna be a matching hardtop, so it should be really dope. Really excited, you know. I'm a pretty big fan of hardtops myself, especially for track use. Make sure the sensor goes in. So in this segment of the vlog, we're gonna be working on trying to lift it a little bit. I really like how it looks low and whatnot, but it does scrape when coming up my driveway, and I just want to lift it a little bit so when I take it to the body shop, you know, they're not having any issues with it, or, you know, giving me crap about it being stupid low. So just to lift this thing, I think I'm gonna start with taking off these side skirts, because I can't even fit a jack in here or anything. We already got the wheel lock out of there, you know, the one that was stripped. Shout out to the homie Jose for getting that done. So yeah, let me record it. Enjoy, guys. We're gonna measure, see how high I want to go or how low or whatever. You know, these are adjustable. So right now I'm gonna just measure it, see how much I would like it to go up. So we got the wheel off. That's the coilover right there. They are Megan's. I think I mentioned that before though, so let's see if we could adjust them. Alright, so the ride height is adjusted. Now let's put the wheel back on and see how we did. Alright, so as you guys can see on this one, it's super low. It barely has any freaking clearance right here. So we're gonna raise the back as well. I already raised the other side, so now I just gotta do the rear passenger side and I should be done for the day. Alright, so I just got done raising the car. Got the back done, got the front done. Let me show you guys the other side. Got that part done, and we got the front wheel done. Looks a little different on this side just because the floor is uneven, but it's raised now. I still think it looks way better lowered, but for purposes of working on it, you know, had to raise it. It was too slammed. What's good, y'all? So it's a new day. So in this portion of the vlog, we'll be switching out the alternator. So I got the new one right here ready to pop in. I'm gonna just vlog myself taking it off. So the reason why I am switching this alternator is because the battery light is on the dash, which is really surprising to me because I have no type of issues with it starting, and it doesn't like stall, it doesn't shut off or anything. So you know, I'm gonna switch it out, see if the dash light goes out, and hopefully it does. You see, this one has the battery light on, so hopefully by changing this alternator we could get rid of it. So we're able to get the connections off from the alternator. Let me see if I can give you guys a shot. Look at the huge difference, yo. Old one, new one. That thing is burnt, yo. Super dirty. Hey, also the new alternator's in. So right now I'm just gonna start it up and give it a little test run. Hopefully it starts up well, and hopefully that light is gone too. Here goes nothing. Nice. Check it out, y'all. The brake light, the battery light is gone. Out of here. Looks like we got rid of all our dash lights now, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna just let it warm up for now and make sure everything's cool. All right, y'all, so let's get down on getting rid of these sleepy eyes. So for those of you that aren't familiar with the sleepy eye mod, it's how the headlight looked before. I already started working on it and I didn't get like a good before, but if you guys remember, these were like centered like down here, and it was held up by an LED light. Pretty much had to do some rewiring right here. I didn't do this. The homie that's a pretty good electrician did it. I'll put his YouTube channel here too. He actually has one that teaches you how to do a whole bunch of how-tos. But we got everything wired up, so I already have this one ready to go. So I'm going halo lights now, you know. So I had these on the off-road Miata, and I decided to put these on. So pretty much what you got to do is, and boy, in my situation it was a little different because this thing was pretty chopped up when it came to the headlights. So let me show you guys what I mean. So right here, they cut this bezel, which is what you got to do when it comes to the sleepy eyes. So I understand that, but it didn't come with the frame, unfortunately, which the frame is pretty much what holds up this headlight to the pop-up or whatever. So I replaced the bezels and put the light in, and it's working good. Which is pretty cool about these things is that this works as a turn signal as well, and a high beam and all that. So let me show you guys how I did it. And for those of you wondering where I got the parts, especially so quick, I'm actually getting it off this guy. So this is a future project I'm still working on. I actually just recently picked it up. I'll post a vlog on it soon. We got the hardware off, got the bezel off, and right now we got the headlight off right there. So what I'm gonna do right now is take off the frame, which is this circle thing around right here, and then start installing it on the other one. Guys, installation is done. Looking pretty cool, man. Alright, so we got the car back from body and paint, and it's looking really nice, guys. As you guys can see, we want to go ahead and did a color change on it. So we're now looking at a red Miata instead of a brown one. You know, this car looks completely different in my opinion. You know, we got the halo headlights, we got the restored wheels, fresh tires. Interior is looking different too, but the exterior is, you know, where the huge difference at. Just the color alone makes it stand out, and the couple of body repairs we did makes the whole difference. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. You know, you guys want to see more of this? Did you like it? Did you not like it? You know, let me know, and hopefully I catch y'all on the other one.